Chapter 5, The Wedding Feast, picking up on page 51. This one has 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 big pictures this time. We're picking up in chapter 5, The Wedding Feast, and the very first image is going to be Thor arriving at this wedding. Remember, he's dressed up as Freya, and he has something in particular to keep himself hidden from Thrym. So box number 1 is Thor arriving dressed as Freya. You could have him stepping out of the chariot, but we need to see Thor dressed as Freya with his veil to keep his identity a secret. Pause and work if you need to. Box number 2. Box number 2 is going to be Thor dressed as Freya eating at the wedding. If you remember correctly, there was a lot to do with how Thor ate at the wedding because he was supposed to be dainty little Freya, and he ate like Thor does. So box number 2 is going to be Thor eating at this wedding. You could also add a speech bubble here if you want to put Thrym in there and what Thrym thought about how Freya was behaving. Pause and work if you need to. Box number 3. Box number 3 is going to be that line from the chapter, eyes burning with rage. Remember, Thrym was trying to do things like steal a kiss from Freya, and he was surprised that Freya's eyes were burning with rage. So box number 3 is going to be Thor dressed as Freya with his eyes burning with rage. This is a place that you could put what Loki said about why her eyes were burning with rage. Pause and work if you need to. Box number 4, last one. Let's finish the chapter. This is the one where Thor bursts out of the wedding dress. So you're going to wrap up with number 4, Thor bursting out of that wedding dress. Again, you can add speech bubbles to explain what's going on as well.